Rocket Lab has collapsed -10.79% to $102.39, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Saturday, June 13th, and this is your complete global market briefing. Investors are selectively buying in some sectors while reducing exposure in others. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is trading higher by plus 0.50% at $7,431.46. Equity markets are responding to reports that markets whipsaw as RE sell-off resumes, CNN. NASDAQ 100 is trading higher by plus 0.64%. at $29,636. Equity markets are responding to reports that got $1,500. 3 no-brainer artificial intelligence, RE, semiconductor stocks to buy before they saw once again the motley fool. Dow Jones edged higher plus 0.70% to $51,202. Investor sentiment is being shaped by gold. Silver ETFs tumble up to 5% as bears dominate precious metals market NDTV profit. DAX is little changed, hovering near $24,210. The move follows reports that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. FTSE 100 climbed plus 1.63% to $10,472. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Rocket Lab plunged -10.79% to $102.39 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Virgin Galactic craters 24%, Rocket Lab drops 8%, AST SpaceMobile falls 10% as SpaceX hype triggers a space stock shakeout, 24/7 Wall St. Samsung made a dramatic move today, surged plus 7.86% to $322,500. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. HSBC surged plus 3.86% to $1,372.80 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that assessing HSBC, LSE, SPA, valuation after recent share price pullback and Asia growth focus, Simplewald St. BHP made a dramatic move today, surged plus 3.50% to $62.93. Investor sentiment is being shaped by BHP made more money from copper than iron ore for the first time ever, Finimize. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. The move follows reports that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. Investor sentiment is being shaped by gold. Silver ETFs tumble up to 5% as bears dominate precious metals market NDTV profit. Turning to commodities. Brent crude plunged to $86.71 per barrel, down 4.06% on the session. The move follows reports that our stock futures drop after tech sell-off, oil up, markets wrap. WTI crude plunged to $84.29 per barrel, down 3.9% on the session. The move follows reports that our stock futures drop after tech sell-off, oil up, markets wrap. Natural gas climbed to $3.14, up 1.75% on the session. The move follows reports that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. Gold surged to $4,239.90 per troy ounce, up 3.66% on the session. The gold move is partly driven by Goldman Sachs cuts 2027 oil price estimate on demand uncertainty, crude oil prices today, oilprice.com. Let us give you our near-term view on Rocket Lab. With the selling pressure we have seen today, the key support level for Rocket Lab is around $96.25. A failure to hold there could accelerate the decline and attract further sellers. For a recovery, bulls need to see a fundamental shift in the drivers weighing on prices. This is our view. Always do your own research. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.16, gaining 0.32% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.34, gaining 0.34% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 160.13, gaining 0% on the day. Currency markets are reacting to European weapons used against India, US urged Russian oil purchases after Ukraine war, Jay Shankar, ETV Bharat. Here is your market watch list heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. A quick like takes 1 second and helps this channel grow. We genuinely appreciate it. Subscribe for daily coverage across every major market. Tell us in the comments what you are watching most closely right now. Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.